In this video, I will be showing you what Canva font looks like handwriting. Let's get started. I start by adding a text box to my page and searching for Canva in the font menu. I'll select the Canva student font and update the text so we can see it clearly. Now I'm adding another box and searching for Alex Brush to get a clean, cursive look. For my next font, I'll type Signature into the search bar and select Signature, which has a lovely hand-signed feel. I'll add another box and search for Mistrally, then update the text to match the font name. Next, I'm typing in Gistacy to find and select this playful handwriting style. I'll add a new text box and search for Beautifully Delicious Script, then select the Beautifully Delicious font. Moving on, I'll type AC Real Adult to get a very natural and casual handwriting vibe. For something bolder and fun, I'm searching for and selecting Sunday. Then I'll search for Porcelain, which is a very delicate and flowing script. I'm also adding Beth Ellen by searching for Beth and selecting it from the results. Finally, I'll search for School Bell to get that classic, handwritten classroom style on the page. I hope these examples help you find the perfect handwriting font for your next project.